Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. All right, this is 6804 Vallon Drive. Vallon Drive is a street here. Hawthorne Boulevard's there. South is about that way, so this is west out here. You know, beautiful spot in Palos Verdes. We're located up from City Hall. Got a 3-car garage here out front. They did nice work here. So it's really beautiful. Nice patio up front. Step on in here. Wow, how neat is this? Beautiful setup. We come in here. Here's our living room in the front. This looks like wood. It is. All new windows here. Everything's skimmed, LED lights. It's pretty impressive. This is probably dining here. Also impressive. Very clean. So from dining comes into kitchen, beautiful newly remodeled stuff here. We got the GE stove, stainless, the microwave above it. Let's take a look at these cabinets. Okay, opens the other way. Maple line, it's nice. And cushion close. And this is a interesting, doesn't feel like wood. It's like more like, feels like plastic. Nice. GE. Big drawers. The nice part here, you have a nice sink, and then you have a pretty big view from the sink. So it's also nice because there's a street there via La Cuesta before Hawthorne, so it really breaks up the noise from that busier street. So nice. Bar top, hanging out in the kitchen. It's cool. So yeah, I don't hear the street at all. That's great. So you're looking out. The white that you can see in the distance is the condos at the Trump area. And then the Trump golf course there. You can't really see Terranea, it's right below us. But you can see Avalone Cove and all that. Over to Peavy Drive East, on the east side of the hill. All the mustard. Nice yard here and a lot of view. So there's the Isthmus of Catalina, it's right straight out. Right there. Avalon's here, which means this is about south, and west is up this way. So the sun sets up that way. Sunsets from like here north. So nice yard, good landscaping, pretty place. More of your like family room. There's another door to the outside, fireplace. The wet bar area here. And the one room downstairs. Oh, we got a barn door here, that's pretty cool. For this closet. Nice straight lines everywhere. Big trench drain. Well, it's not really a trench, but it looks like a trench drain. This goes direct access to the garage. It's nice that they have the panels in the garage so you can see through there. They haven't finished this, obviously. They're getting there. Washer and dryer in the garage. This goes back to the front. Oh, stairs are cool. I like the color. Here's the master. Barn door again. This one's built out a little bit. So you do have, looks like vinyl windows. double pane. Big view from up here. A lot of ocean out there. It's nice and seamless right into the bathroom. What a neat mirror. Tub, beautiful shower, double sinks. And another room here. Bathroom here. Countertop. I love that wavy stuff, that's cool. Another bedroom with a pretty darn good view. So 1, 2, 3 up here. And then one down below. Nice chandelier, an entrance. It's good. So you do have a formal living and a formal dining and a family room. That's nice. A good entertaining area. Beautiful property.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.